The journey starts with a flight from Bangkok to Surat Thani. From Surat Thani airport, we took a 100 baht bus to the Surat Thani bus station. At the bus station, there's a private van company that you can arrange to have take you all the way to your hotel resort in Krabi. And 2 hours later, we arrived at our resort. One of the activities we went to go do was kayaking. In fact, it was such an adventure that I have a whole separate video dedicated to it. After kayaking, we went to this cool coffee shop that presses their own beans. They had a nice interesting selection of coffees, as well as treats and bagels. After coffee, we hopped on a speedboat and headed out towards the PP Islands. I gotta say that the water is super clear here and the skies are super beautiful. Cool. So, check it out. Today I'm at PP Islands, and behind me, that's my island. It's closed right now. That's why it looks so beautiful. Then on my other view, I have this. I think the water is probably pretty cool here. We'll take a dip in a bit. Today's a boat trip from PP Islands here in Thailand. We're gonna see what PP Islands has to offer. Here we finally arrived at PP Island, and man, do I have to go make pee-pee.
Let's make pee-pee.
Oh my god, right here, Koh PP Island. Oh, so nice. Warm. No shirt Monday. No shirt Tuesday. Oh, the boat. My hair's a big mess. Now walking towards the restaurant to have a nice buffet. Oh, look how white the sand is. Let's go have some buffet. Hungry. Boat ride was crazy. Not as bad as the one in Vietnam. Eat, and then I'm gonna change to some swim trunks to get my swim on. This cool water. Oh yeah. Why does this toy always walks so slow? Now we go snorkeling in this refreshing cool water on this hot day. Look at the colorful fishes. Oh, there's Nemo. Damn, it's hard to do a vlog like this. If I get a breather. After a long day at the beach and sea, it was time to go get a massage. We found this legit place near the resort, and it was great. Massage. We got coconut oil, we got rose oil. One of this smells like Let's see. Oh, smells like rose petals. I like the coconut one. There's a good smell. Jasmine oil. Let's see what jasmine smells like. That smells like taro. And then yang. Lang lang. Oil. Let's see what this one smells like. This one's very medicinal, not too bad, not too strong. Toss up between coconut oil and the lang lang. Oh, so difficult to choose. I like coconut. Time to do some Google research. I want to say thanks to our friend Nak for his Thai hospitality and being so gracious by showing us around his hometown of Krabi. All in all, I got more experiences than I had expected from this trip. I can't complain about that, as well as a few new beautiful videos to show you on this channel. So with all that being said, I'll leave you with your moment of Zen.